Hello friends, today I am showing you how to make a rich, creamy and delicious mushroom curry in just 20 minutes. Wash the mushrooms and tear them into pieces if you like. You can cut the fat stems into small pieces too. Simple ingredients, amazing flavor and perfect with rice, roti or naan. This easy homemade recipe is guaranteed to become a family favorite. Cut onions, garlic, tomatoes, green chilies. Add curry leaves too. Heat oil in a pan and saute the onions, garlic, curry leaves. Add roasted curry powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, chili powder, turmeric and salt. Cook for 2 minutes. Stir and fry until golden brown. The aroma of garlic and onions is filling the kitchen. Nothing beats the delicious smell when a homemade meal is on the way. Add the sliced mushrooms and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until they release their moisture. Pour in the water, cover and simmer for 5 minutes. Stir in the thick coconut milk and simmer it for another 2 minutes. Serve it with roti, naan or chapati for a comforting homemade meal. Enjoy!